This is a world of a shine and a blind called Kidy Funda. Kidy Funda. Let's learn with Kidy Funda.
Hello guys, this is your on channel Kidy Funda. This is Bhavna Devani and today we will go with letter C. Yes, we will continue with our phonic series. So, अगर आपने मेरी लेटर A और B की वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसके लिंक दी गई है. Just click on that and see the video. So, without wasting of time, shall we start? Okay, yes. So first of all, we will see the story about letter C. So look here. Story of letter C.
Once upon a time, there was one girl whose name was Kara. Kara lives in a little cottage near a castle. She has a cuddly kid named a Catty. Catty loves to eat cakes. So, Kara decides to bake a carrot cake. Counts the carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, she begins to make the cake. When the cake is ready, Kara serves the cake with cookies and cream. It is a best cake, Kitty. Bye-bye, friends.
Let's learn noun of letter C.
Carrot, candle, car, caterpillar, cat, cow, chicken.
Now, how to write letter C? It is called uppercase C. It is called lowercase c. So kids, did you learn the letter C? Yes, you learn a lot. So now see you soon in next video with letter D. So bye bye. Thanks for watching.